What an exhilarating and joyful performance. Thank you to the students of our primary section who truly showcased their remarkable energy and creativity. Their performance was not only entertaining but a testament to their hard work and dedication.
We will now move on to a segment that is both significant and deeply meaningful. The felicitation of our dedicated teachers by the Past Pupil Association. Today, we honor and recognize the tireless efforts and invaluable contribution of our teachers. Their commitment to nurturing and guiding our students is the cornerstone of our institution's success. Let us come together to celebrate their achievements and express our gratitude.
Good morning, everyone. It's nice to see that the students are good and teachers are ambitious today. On behalf of the Past Pupil Association, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. I don't want to just read out something about the speech about teachers because we are having a small activity which is a rapid fire question session for the teachers. It won't take more than 5 minutes. But one incident I just want to tell you, I've been here in Borivali for the past, let's say 40 to 45 years. And I meet a lot of parents around IC, church, market here and there. So every year the question is, there's a new school coming up here, something is coming up there. So every bi-lane there is a school. So I asked one parent, where's the school coming up? She said, somewhere on Link Road. So I said, do you see Don Bosco banners put up anywhere on the lampposts, bus stops, trees that admissions open primary, nursery? I said no, you don't need to. Don Bosco doesn't need to put all that. I said that is because of the achievement, the dedication of the teachers, the management. So over the past 50 years that the school has been established, this is the marvelous achievement what the teachers have done. It is like the teachers have come here and they have stayed to look after teach the children. It is not that only the education and knowledge that is imparted, but it is what builds the character of the child when he goes out of this school. Thank you, teachers. God bless you. We just have a small session of questions. It's a funny session. So I hope you get the right, wrong answer, whatever it is there. And definitely you will be punished in case you give the wrong answer. No lunch for them, sorry. No lunch for them. Detention is standing outside.
Adam, just to correct you, it is not the wrong answer. If they give the right answer, they will be punished. Okay, I have to come right at the back for this because I think the teachers are sitting all on the last bench. Anytime you saw teachers sitting right at the back? Okay, thank you, Father, for giving us this chance to have a little fun with our teachers. And Father Rector, I like the joke about your donkey. And we have got this donkey to come here now. Okay, so teachers, it's very simple. Okay, you are looking very beautiful today. Okay, the sirs are looking handsome. I'm sure they had that extra workout in the gym. Okay. So it is very simple. I'm going to ask you a series of questions. Okay, and you have to give your creative wrong answer. Okay, so for example, I may ask you what is the ingredients that goes in making tea, and the answer would be Coca-Cola, little bit of salt, and a dash of olive oil. Okay, very simple. Okay, do not give me the wrong answer, right answers, or we have to make you kneel down. That's the simple thing. Okay, so let's start. I won't take much of your time. I know you're enjoying yourself. Okay, and there's a lot of things coming up. So we'll start. So let's go to the handsome sirs first. Where are they sitting? Okay, sir, are you ready? Remember, you have to give the wrong answer. Okay? You see around, all are beautiful teachers right here, right? Okay, the first question is, name 3 things you think the teachers use today for their makeup? 3 things. Give the wrong answer. Broom. A broom. Handkerchief.
And phone.
And a phone. Okay. The phone they can use, no? To see stuff. Okay, so it's AI generated. So sir, just remember that proof you're going to get it later on. Okay, let's go to one of the teachers. Teacher? Okay, so your question is, you seen sir right there, right? He had a lovely physics. Name 3 things that the sir carries in his lunch box to give him that good physique. Remember, wrong answer.
Breakfast. Eggs. Manusha, eggs.
Okay, so she said you have in your tiffin wafers, eggs, and some juice. But with juice, she never told me. The juice that goes with soda. Okay, another one. Will quickly blow. Teacher. Okay, teacher. Your question is, name 3 rules you lay down in your classroom. Name 3 rules you lay down in your classroom. Remember, you have to get the wrong answer. Teacher.
That's the first rule. Nobody remains silent in my class. I don't want serious faces in my class at all. So they want to be there. And I don't want the boys and girls seated separately. So they
Okay, we want this teacher, right? Okay, I'm going to ask father now one question. Father, you ready? Okay, father. Name 3 secret things the principal has in his office. Dog.
One dog, yeah. Then puzzle. Yeah. And then that's the right answer. And the TV.
TV he's been watching us on the TV every time.
TV or not? And a monkey.
Father, that is in all the classes. You know one more thing what the father has in his office? You all know? The Xbox. He has the Xbox there, he plays game. Okay, I'll come behind you. I'm coming. Don't worry, there are a lot of questions. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Teachers, come on. Fast, we don't have time. Huh? Name 3 things the coordinator says on the intercom. Name 3 things the coordinator says on the intercom. All are scared of the coordinators? Don't worry. Today's Teachers Day, sub mask. Quick. This side.
No meetings, no submissions, and holidays.
Wow, we would love to hear that. Okay, the next question. Listen. Welcome. Name 3 things you would do if you were the principal for one day.
holiday on Teachers' Day. Students can use their mobile phone. classroom whenever they wish.
You want teachers like this? Oh, you don't have to give the right answer, give the wrong answer. Okay, we'll go to this one. Sir, I see you always down. Okay, it's a very easy thing for you. Name 3 things you get in the school canteen.
In the school canteen, we get some alcohol. We also some special things for the children, what they want. For example, mobiles, if they want, they can purchase there. At the same time, the stylish clothes today they wanted to wear, those clothes also will be available for them.
Akash, did you open the school canteen or did you open the mall over there? Okay, we'll go right here at the back. One more, sir. All the teachers are attacking the search window. Okay, relax. Okay, name 3 things or name 3 places you go on a field trip.
Underground area, there is a canteen.
To a club and bye.
Hukkabad. Okay, he wants to go to a disco club. Okay, great. Now we'll come right here in front. Okay, Rector. This is the last question for you. Okay. Are you ready? Name 3 bad habits about the teachers sitting here today. Remember, you give the wrong answers. Name 3 bad habits about the teachers sitting here today.
I only know the good habits actually. They are committed, they are hardworking, and they are intelligent.
Correct, excellent. Well, he had to give the bad habits, but of course he's given the good. You are committed, you are excellent, and you are and intelligent. And on this note, we will end this session. Thank you, teachers, for giving us the time. Okay, thank you, Father. And we have a little bit of goodies for you, so we are just getting it quickly. Okay, have fun, enjoy the day, and this is Elroy signing off. Thank you.
Thank you to the members of the Past Pupil Association for felicitating our young teachers. Thank you to the members of the Past Pupil Association for
will now address our teachers with their reflections and appreciations.
A very good morning to our respected Rector, Father Emmanuel, our Honorable Principal, Reverend Father Chloe, our capable Administrator, Reverend Father Diego, Father Mario, Father Aloysius, Father Akhil, and Father Evangelo. Our esteemed teachers, cherished members of the school community, my fellow PTA members, students, and all others gathered here. It is an honor to stand before you today as a representative of the Parent Teachers Association on this very special occasion of Teachers' Day. Today, we gather to honor and acknowledge the remarkable individuals who shape the lives of our children, guide their learning, and inspire them to reach their highest potential. Teachers, you are the unsung heroes of our society. You are the architects of our kids' future. Your commitment to fostering a love for learning and shaping young minds is something truly extraordinary. You go beyond textbooks and exams. You create a learning environment where curiosity is sparked and where students feel valued and understood. Your influence extends far beyond the classrooms, molding not only their academic knowledge, but also their character and values. As parents, we see the effects of your hard work and dedication every day. We see it in the excitement our children have when they come home from school, eager to share what they've learned. We see it in their growing confidence, their ability to think critically, and their readiness to face the world with courage and optimism. Today, as we celebrate Teachers' Day, we want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you. Thank you for your patience, your creativity, and your unwavering dedication. Thank you for the late nights you spend preparing lessons, for the extra time you invest in helping struggling students, and for the countless ways you go above and beyond to ensure that every child has an opportunity to succeed. Today, we also recognize the leadership of our esteemed principal. Your vision and guidance create an environment where education flourishes and where both students and teachers can strive for excellence. Happy Teachers' Day to all the incredible educators here. Your contributions are truly valued and cherished. We wish you all the best in the coming year and hope you continue to inspire and touch lives of many more students as the years go by. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Priya. I would like to call upon Mrs. Veena, our CBSE Section Vice President of the PTA, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everyone. Teachers are the building blocks of our lives. They act as second mothers to all students. On this august occasion, on behalf of all the students, parents, and PTA members, I would like to thank each one of you, Reverend Fathers, Father Manuel, Father Floby, Father Diego, Father Mario, Father Aloysius, Aloysius, Father Evangelo, Father Akil, coordinators of all sections, our esteemed teachers and non-teaching staff, for molding our children into worthy people to face the world boldly. As students, our children have sometimes been tough to handle, but your individual attention has helped them from their mistakes and grow. I take the opportunity to mention on Teachers' Day how much all of you mean to us and our children. Teachers are the guides who play an important role in transforming a student into a responsible citizen. They also selflessly serve and help the student reach their aim. Their contribution is not only limited to schools, but it extends to society and country. Thus, after parents, teachers are given the due respect and looked upon as role models. Thank you, teachers, for being with our children as they grow. They will definitely make you proud in the years to come. I would like to conclude with a quote. The best teachers don't give you the answer. They spark within you the desire to find the answer yourself. We are thankful and grateful for all your efforts. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Veena. We are delighted to present a distinguished musical performance by our college section. This act is a heartfelt tribute to the unwavering commitment and inspiration of our educators.
Beautiful.
the call-in section for their splendid performance. Your remarkable effort has greatly enriched our Teachers' Day festivities. Thank you for your dedication and talent.
As we continue with our celebration, we are excited to present a captivating and energetic dance performance by our secondary section students. Their performance promises to be a highlight of today's event, showcasing their artistic talent and creative expression. Let us offer them a warm and enthusiastic reception.
to all the performers for today, your dedication to your craft has been evident and your performance has certainly been the highlight of today's program.
Our college section students are ready to present a dance performance by our talented college section. Their dedication and creativity promises to make this a truly memorable occasion.
That was absolutely spectacular. Thank you to our college section for that breathtaking performance. Your energy and enthusiasm have set a joyful tone for our stage.
In conclusion, it is my honor to invite our Reverend Father Floyd D'Souza on stage to deliver the word of thanks on behalf of everyone present today.
Respected fathers, our coordinators of the various section, teachers, support staff, our PTA representatives, and you, my dear students, as we come to the close of this beautiful and very energetic Teachers' Day celebration, I take this opportunity as a principal to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this day a very, very memorable celebration for us. First and foremost, I want to express my deepest appreciation to our dedicated teachers. And teachers, once again I convey to you that you are the cornerstone and the guiding light who inspire and nurture our students with your unwavering commitment your passion for teaching and your tireless efforts to impart knowledge and values to our children are truly commendable. Today we celebrate you not just for being excellent educators, but for being mentors and role models to our students. Thank you, dear teachers, for all that you do. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our rector, Reverend Father Manuel, and for the fathers here who are part of our management team, for the Daigo administrator, for the Mavi who is here, for the Venture, and Father Keel and Father Aloysius who are not present here. I sincerely express my gratitude for their continuous support and encouragement, and your presence here this morning, dear fathers, has made this celebration even more meaningful, and we are truly grateful for your guidance and for your leadership. A big thanks to our organizing committee, which consisted of our coordinators and also great leadership shown by teacher Charushila and also Sir Clifford, who is not here with us. The organizing committee, along with the teachers, Mr. Actors who is here, and also the teachers of the various sections, have worked very hard to plan and execute this wonderful event. Your creativity and dedication have shone through every aspect of this celebration, from the delightful performance to the thoughtful arrangements. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to our PTA representatives, PTA members, Basketball Association members who are here with us and who also express their gratitude and also let us have some few wonderful moments. And as I said during the celebration that the youngest is 50 years old, I think we require more youngsters also in our Basketball Association. And my heartfelt gratitude also to our PTA vice presidents who came here, Mrs. Priya and Mrs. Vinita, for your warm words of support and encouragement. They mean a lot to us to express your sentiments on behalf of the parents of our school. Thank you very much, and thank you for all the support. Your PTA members, right from yesterday, you have been with us as part of our celebration, and also they did yesterday when we came to decorate and set up the places. Let's give a very loud round of applause to our PTA members. They worked very hard as our students. Tremendous support and encouragement. And to all our students, especially our office bearers, there's our captain and vice captain, Joel, Aluya. They were ably supported by the house captains and the vice captains. They also have worked very hard and weeks of preparation to plan the events of yesterday as well as today. And for all the students, I sincerely thank you for your enthusiasm, your participation, your performances were a joy to witness, and they reflect the love and respect you have for your teachers. Your hard work and preparation was evident in every act, and you truly made this day a very, very special for all of us. I especially want to extend my sincere thanks to also Sir Rossi and Teacher Yogita. So their presence was unnoticed, but they worked also very, very hard. After clicking photographs and the video sessions, they go and process those photographs and make sure that they come online, the website, and also the YouTube channel. So a lot of hard work goes in, and their efforts very often goes unnoticed. So let's give a loud round of applause to Mr. Rossi. I extend my sincere thanks also to our support staff. They have been working very, very hard, preparing the place, making all the necessary arrangements. Jay is here. They have had excellent sound this morning. Okay, that's all in-house sound which he has arranged for us. Okay, and all the other teams have worked very, very hard. I thank our support staff and also the volunteers who helped them work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Your efforts often go unnoticed, but today I want to acknowledge and thank you for your invaluable contribution. And a few names what I have received. I hope I don't leave anyone out, but in case I have left anyone out, it's not out of ignorance, but definitely want to thank you as well. For the pre-primary dance, I want to thank our teachers, Linda Castro, Veera Marcus, for the invitation cards as well, who were prepared so very well and went now well in advance. Teacher Monica Roberts, our coordinator from the pre-primary. I thank Teacher Priyam for the coordinator of the college section for the dance and the song. And for the NRS, a special word of appreciation to Mrs. Jillian Fernandez, the mother of Gabriela, who read the address so very creatively, so very well, very, very inspiring. And she was trained by her mother, Mrs. Jillian Fernandez, ably supported by our coordinator, Teacher Rose, and the other teachers as well. And also, I think I often miss out the nursery teachers also. Teacher Marina also here, thank Teacher Marina, our senior most staff. So let's give a lot of, because I think most of you also have asked, you all have listened and the NRS also for the NRS teachers for the backdrop, the address. Sir Cliff Richard for the comparing step that he prepared. For our dancers, for the secondary teacher Saina, Teacher Quincy, and Teacher Actress. Our student choreographers, Mehak, Guru, Yogita. The welcome students, our discipline section. Thank you. Our comrades, Samia Park, Amy, Osha, and what about the names? Daniel, Sean Park, and Karen. Okay, so they did a wonderful job. Let's also clap for them. May I continue for the standard 5th and 6th standard dance, Reva for the 7th and 8th, Yogita for the 9th and 10th standard dance. I think I covered most of the names I have seen here. So once again, thank you everyone who joined us today and made this celebration for our teachers' day and grand success. Let us continue to show our gratitude and respect for our teachers, not just today but every day, for they are truly the architects of our future. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you, Father. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to each and everyone who contributed in making this program a tremendous success.
To our distinguished guests, thank you for gracing us with your presence. To our distinguished guests, thank you for gracing us with your presence and your continued support.
To our dedicated teachers, your unwavering commitment and passion